To get a flush repair without a visible ridge of sealant, you must control sealant volume and surface tension from the start. First, select a semi-self-leveling silicone or hybrid sealant labeled for horizontal joints, because these flow enough to self-smooth while still giving you working time. Clean the joint thoroughly with a solvent recommended by the sealant maker, and let it fully dry so the new material bonds and does not beat up on contaminants. Use a closed-cell backer rod sized to sit slightly below the desired finish level so the sealant only fills the gap and does not create excess height. Cut the nozzle at a small angle and start with a thinner bead. You can always add more, but you cannot remove it without disturbing the finish. Tool the bead immediately after extruding while the product is still tacky using a wetted spatula or a rounded plastic tool dragged in one smooth pass to encourage flow and flattening. If the sealant still leaves a slight ridge after curing, sand a flexible overlay or thin matching filler lightly and feather the edge. Then clean and touch up with a thin skim of compatible sealant to blend color and gloss. Common problems are putting too much material in the joint, which leaves a raised ridge, using a non-compatible sealant that shrinks or beads up, and tooling after skin has formed so you smear rather than smooth. For excess material, remove down to the backer rod and reapply less, or cut and peel away the ridge while the sealant is still uncured, then retool. If the product separates or beads, clean the surfaces and switch to a manufacturer-recommended primer and a compatible sealant type. If you wait too long to tool, cut back to uncured material where possible and retool immediately next time. Or sand the cured ridge and apply a skim coat of compatible sealant to blend the joint. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a place to compare approaches to finish quality. Our discussion community helps users and pros exchange tips on sealants, tooling techniques, and product choices so we can all improve curb appeal together.